What's up, peeps again? Hold on, let's gotta fix the camera. Okay. What am I doing? People love today. Okay. This is what you're gonna do. I'm doing a song. It's called the Gay Barbie song. Seriously, it's called that. By South Park. It has a lot of swearing, but it only has the B word and the S word. S-O-U-T. And I think that's pretty much it. And then that is only like a 1 minute song, and then after that they beat her up. Poor Barbie. And they both have, I think they're gay because they both have a crush on Ken, her boyfriend. Okay, but I gotta look for her first. Oh no, I don't think it's in this one. It's in my other profile. Hold on for a second. Sorry for wasting your time, but I thought I'd play the song at the very way it goes. I don't know why I'm laughing. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it's my South Park. Here it goes.
Hiya, Garrett.
Hi, Raul.
You want to go for a ride?
On what?
On this.
Barbie's such a bitch. She is just a witch.
I really hate
Her,
her.
why does Ken hate her?
Ken
Ken
is
is such a man. I'll do all I can. Just to do him. We just wanna screw him.
She's such a
That's
bitch,
me
I'm a
saying
stretch right
nothing.
now.
I have dreamed about Ken being inside my den, and we hold and we kiss like we're sweethearts.
But that Barbie's a fun with her cute little butt. And I guess Ken likes boobs made of fake parts.
And I cry every day, 'cause straight up that bitch is my wife. Ooh, Barbie is a bitch. She is just a witch.
I really hate her. Why does Ken date her?
Ken is such a man. I do all I can.
Just to do him. We want to screw him. When I see her, I will knee her.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I will punch her and I'll crunch her.
Oh, yes.
Hey, Garrett!
What, Raoul?
Look who's over
Let's see
there!
her.
Well, if it isn't Barbie without Ken and that stupid California Dream band.
Hey, Barbie, it's us! Come over here! Look!
Right here,
Come
Missy. Take your little slut, you hooker, you
This
bitch.
has a very weird ending. Okay. Sorry for wasting your time. Yeah, I bet some of you know me if you're on YouTube or that. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching most of my videos. I don't think I posted all of them. Thank goodness. Okay. And also, you can search me up on Facebook. And yeah, if you want to look up a name that starts with an M, or look up a kid or a girl named Ember 2. She has a picture of a giant cat, and most of it's all green and has a cat on the side. And then look through friends, and it's gonna say Mackenzie, Adrian, CK, and just give me my name. Okay, bye.